Hey guys, this is Judah Hoover here with the Landlords and Investors Mastermind Group. I'm here with the speaker for February 27th, 7 o'clock at the Red Lion Inn in Harrisburg. Craig Fuhr, my good buddy. Craig, we've known each other for, what, about 5 years?
Yeah.
It feels like 15 to 20.
It does, actually.
I feel like we are kindred spirits on so many things. And here's the thing.
Liked you the moment I met you.
Absolutely, dude. Absolutely. So you're coming out to speak Thursday night in Harrisburg, and what a lot of these people don't know is, like, you're coming to talk to me,
Yep.
but like they're welcome to be there too.
All right, cool.
You know what I mean?
Yeah,
like
yeah.
that's how. Like, does your pastor ever do that? Like, he's preaching and you feel like
He's talking
this
right to
guy's
you.
just talking to me.
Like the sermon was made for me that
right.
day.
So what are you talking about?
So we're actually sitting right now in an area where I've done probably 70 flips. I've been a real estate investor for the past 16 years now.
Okay.
And I found that while I still love real estate, there's probably a whole lot about it that I'm not so passionate about anymore.
Yeah, you choke on the words "I love real estate" after you've been doing it for a while, don't you?
Man, it's been a roller coaster. But man, I've gotten to a point in my life where at 52, I want to live my passion. I want to do what is most fulfilling for me. So I've, with some friends, we've developed sort of some principles that we feel like kind of transcend all businesses. Vision, goals, what do you want to do that is your passion and what you're fulfilled by. I think, we have this one small life to live here, right? So why not live what we are most excited by?
Right.
So one of the things I'll be talking about on Thursday night is how you can have a business that you are insanely passionate about. So many of us wake up on Monday mornings and we're not excited to go to work, right?
Right.
Sunday nights, you
So
start getting
passionate, but also profitable at the same time.
It's got to be.
I don't have to give up my Lambo to do this, right?
No, but wait a minute. But I believe that profit can be, defined in many more ways than just money, right?
Right.
Like if you have a business where you're making $1 million a month, but your expenses are 1.1 million, is that
You're
profitable?
actually losing money.
If you have a business where on Sunday nights you start getting panic attacks because you can't.
You can just walk through, folks. We're just shooting a video. No worries. No worries. No,
ahead,
it's
man.
cool. Totally fine. It's a raw video. It's totally fine. We're good. We're good.
Live and real.
Live and real. We're in downtown Baltimore. Dude, the crab cakes here were phenomenal.
Best ever.
Where is this? Tell everybody where we are.
Coco's Pub right on Hartford Road.
Dude, if you're ever in Baltimore, Coco's Pub is absolutely where you've got to go. So here's the deal, guys. Like, Craig knows what he's talking about because he's been a full-time real estate investor. He's been a coach. He's been a mentor. We were just talking about some hard money products that you've helped develop.
Oh, yeah.
And things like that. I mean, I just have always loved following you on Facebook and all the things that you're doing.
Thanks, man.
And I think that you are going to help take people and elevate them with these principles that you're going to talk about. We talk with a lot of people about how to buy a deal and how to finance a deal, but people don't necessarily stop and think about why they want to do those deals.
Look, I often say that, like, you don't need a real estate coach. Like, that's the easy part. I want to coach people how to get the heck out of their own way.
Right.
I want to teach people how to get rid of the demons of self-doubt and how to be, insanely passionate about what they do. Like, a lot of people get into real estate because they think, oh, I can make good money at it. Well, what happens if you hate it?
Right.
What are you going to do then?
Right.
So why not do that thing that you truly love to do?
Right. And I love that you talk about the demons of self-doubt because, like, I'm 40. I bought my first rental property when I was 22.
Yeah.
I still have doubts.
Right.
Like we all, if you are not willing to admit that you have doubts,
Yeah.
God help you.
Yeah.
Because he's the only one who can.
There
You've got to be willing to face your demons and say, I'm good at this part and this part of real estate. I'm afraid of this part and this part, and how to come up with a comprehensive plan to address all that.
Exactly.
So listen, we're going to cut this video short because we could keep on going, but we are going to be February 27th, Red Lion Inn Hotel in Harrisburg, totally free. Follow the link in the comments, and my good buddy Craig Fuhr will be there at 7 o'clock, and I'm really
psyched.
looking forward to it.
It's going to be awesome.
See you guys.